BAI Topwisdom Electronic Control System Teaching Video. Part 1. Flat Embroidery. Step 1. Copy the patterns from USB. Step 2. Choose embroidery pattern. Step 3. Choose embroidery frame. Step 4. Choose pattern direction. Move the frame. Automatic positioning. Adjust the colors. Step 5. Choose embroidery color. Step 6. Start embroidery. Part 2. Cap embroidery. Step 1. Choose embroidery hoop. Step 2. Choose embroidery pattern. Step 3. Choose pattern direction. Press Edit button, enter embroidery status. Step 4. Choose embroidery color. M button means manual change color. A button means automatic change color. Adjust the embroidery position. Move the hoop. Plus button means increase speed. Minus button means reduce speed. Step 5. Start embroidery. Part 3. T-shirt embroidery. Step 1. Choose embroidery pattern. Step 2. Choose embroidery hoop. Step 3. Choose pattern direction. Press Edit button, enter embroidery status. Step 4. Choose embroidery color. Choose the color change method. Adjust embroidery position. Move the hoop. Minus button means reduce speed. Step 5. Start embroidery.